Okay, so in this video we're going to be unboxing a new battery pack from Bluetti, or also known as Max Oak, that they sent me to check out. So I think, it's kind of a mid-range size battery pack, and looks like we've got the classic box within a box here. So let's see if we can't get this out. Okay. All right. So Bluetti 110 volts. This is the new EB70. This is a 716 watt hour. This is like pretty good size, comparable maybe the Jackery 500, be a little bit smaller. EcoFlow Max with the extra battery would be close, kind of at the 600 level. So let's see what's in the box here. Manual. Nice little cardboard box here. And inside we've got, that is a hefty AC adapter. So that's pretty large. More cables and such. And there's the AC cord and nice little cable connector. That's nice. Okay. Let's see this thing. I'll bring out some other battery packs too, so we kind of see size in here. I think it's kind of got like a red size here. All right. That's interesting. So right at the top, it's got a 15 watt wireless charger, so like you can place your phone on there. That's kind of cool. All right. Input charger. 200 watt max input, DC 12 charger out, 100 watt power delivery. That's nice. It's got two of those, so this would be really good, like with my MacBook. Just being able to get 100 watts out of there, that's pretty sweet actually. Nice display screen. Comes about 80% charged here, it looks like. 4 AC outlets. Got a nice light. Okay, cool. I kind of want to try this wireless thing right on the top. Let's just... Oh, yeah, there it goes. So my iPhone 12 just started charging up right there. So that's kind of cool. I like that. And then you don't need like an extra, you don't have to plug in an extra charger for... That's really cool. That's, I've never seen... any battery pack have that. So it's kind of a small feature, but I like it. So just like size comparison wise, I've got the EcoFlow Delta, just the EcoFlow River with the Max battery pack on here. And so, this capacity here is pretty comparable. I think the Bluetti is a little bit bigger. It's got another 150 or so watt hours. So it is a little bit larger. About the same weight, pretty similar. Obviously the EcoFlow's got like the super fast charging, so it'll be interesting to see how quickly we can charge up this Bluetti. Let's just check it out. I mean, we got some time here, right? So I'm not sure when this model is going to be coming out, but I'll link to it once it's available. Let me plug in here. Oh. It's got a fan built into the AC charger, so my guess is they moved some of the components, they might keep in here to here. One thing I like about like the EcoFlow is you just plug in a standard AC port like this, and it just like that, and then you got everything charging, so you don't have this whole brick thing going on. So I gotta say, I'm not a fan of this already. This thing's already pretty fully charged, so I mean we've done tests of this, of how quickly the EcoFlow stuff can charge. It's pretty crazy. Let's turn this off. So yeah, this is unfortunate. It's just it's an extra thing to lose. You know, I mean, most of these battery packs have an external AC charger like this. This one really has got some fans on it. Maybe it's a real fast charger. I mean, this is already pretty well charged, so I do like this screen. This is a nice screen. This is kicking on some fans as well. So it's taking in 193 watts. Okay, so I mean that's a nice charging rate, you know, for a battery pack like this. That's, you know, this is going to charge in, you know, 3 hours or so. So that's nice to see, you know, pretty fast charge. So anyways, yeah, it's kind of just initial thoughts. This handle's fine. It's kind of plasticky, feels kind of a little cheap. This red is, I don't know, that's not my favorite color. Maybe they got some different colors. I don't know. It's fine. I love this wireless charging thing though. That is, you know, just being able to plop your phone down there and get a 15-watt charger. I mean, that's as good as the Apple MagSafe ones. So that's pretty cool. Not a fan of this, but yeah, interesting. I have to see what the pricing is. Compare it. You know, you do get 716 watt hours from this. So, I mean, that's a lot. So, nice little pack. Interesting. All right, well, let's wrap this up. I'll do some more testing of this later, but just kind of initial thoughts and review of the new. This is the Bluetti. This is the new EB70 with around 700 watt hour capacity. It's got output of up to 700 AC watts, so you could run a refrigerator. Most refrigerators would probably work on this. We'll do some testing of it. Yeah, it's kind of a weird, you know, it's in that mid-range of size, right? It's not the 1300 or 1000 watt hour ones like the EcoFlow Delta or the new Jackery 1500 or 2000. It's kind of this mid-range, you know, mid-size one, which is great for camping or something, as long as you don't need like 2000 watts output. You know, this would be something, you throw this in the back of your car, you know, everybody's phones are going to be charged and you can run a bunch of lights, so, and it's not too heavy. Yeah, I really do like this kind of, you know, these mid-size, you know, 500, 700 battery pack or watt hour ranges capacity are just really handy for throwing in the back of the car. So it does have a nice charge time, or a nice input for how many watts it's taken in. So it wouldn't take too long to charge. We'll do some full testing of it, but cool. Love the wireless charging thing on top. That's very cool.